students. I am from Expert Academy, class 12 physics. For class 12 physics, I am coming from a new topic. This is the topic is electric field. About that, I will teach you about this topic. First of all, we learn about the electric field. Electric means charge. Field means area. We cover an area, which is a field. Like we take an example. Like we take a example. Grass area. A farm. It's cover area. So this is the area covered by a something with the force. Okay, so electric fields, firstly we have a force about the according to Goulomb's law. What is that? F equals to k q1 q2 upon r square r cap. So force is like that. In a vector quantity I write this in r cap. Okay, so I take another example to generate in your mind that of what is the electric field. Electric field is about that the one charge create a force in about the area. Okay, I think you can understand that the one charge, if I take one charge mean one human body, one human body can create an area or can create an electric field also. So if you take an example of Mickey Mouse swing, like in your childhood, I think you saw your Mickey Mouse swing in your fair. If you went there, I think you saw, yeah, I think you saw this. So this is the Mickey Mouse. If you are only one human being, if you are only one person in Mickey Mouse swing, that you can feel the force, and you will be not able to come in down without extra force and without any extra force. So if you are climb up on the Mickey Mouse, inside you climb up. So this is the example about Mickey Mouse. If you climb up inside the Mickey Mouse swing, so you have to friction on that, you have to force upon that. So to climb up the to climb up in to climb in Mickey Mouse. And if you are return, then you have to if you always you want the force. So I think you can understand about the my example. So there is a only human being. By the way, then why he will feel the force now that. Okay, so my definition is, now I'm coming to my definition. I think you can understand about this, that कि जब आपने फोर्स फील किया, जब आपके पास नहीं. So there is about a force about the one charge, because if you are climbing in the Mickey Mouse, and if you are returning from the Mickey Mouse, so there is a force. So there is a force about a one charge. Okay, so you can understand about this. So now I'm coming to the definition about that. If I take one charge, this electric field create from only one charge, only from one charge. Okay, so my definition is says that electric field due to a given charge as a field. This is the statement I can understand. I can explain you. So first of all I read it and then I explain you. I write it: electric field due to a given charge, due to a given charge as a field that permits the, I'm just writing the definition first of all, because if I write, so I can explain you very well. The space around the charge in which electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion due to the charge can be experienced by any other charge. So this is my definition. What is the definition says that what is the definition is saying that electric field due to a given charge. I am just saying about that in this time period. I am just saying that if I take one charge, so this is the given charge, okay, you can say given charge or one charge, okay, that permits space around. I am just saying that field created by the area, okay. So field created by area means space around, okay, charge is space around, and in which electric force of attraction or repulsion due to the charge can be experienced, okay. So there is a force. I take first of all force, then I explain electric field, okay. If you take force, then you can explain electric field very well, okay. So I am just writing electric field formula. E vector equals to k q upon r square r cap, okay. I just write it. If I take capital F vector, force is, I think you can understand very well like this. F vector equals to K small q capital Q upon R square RK. So definition says electric field due to only one charge, force due to only two charge, force applied force on between two charges, okay. So this charge, what will be the say, what will you say this charge, what is saying this charge, that small q charge is a like if I take another example, so if I take another example, that Mickey Mouse example I can explain. If I use another example, if a cow is push a human body in yourself, I think, okay, so you fell down, okay, so you create an area, okay, you create an area, many people, there is a crowd, maybe happen, or there is a many people came, can come, or so you create an area, okay. So this is the field, okay. So who create field? I think I can say example about that, the small q push capital Q, okay. You are a human body and you are a q charge, okay. Small q is like a cow, okay. So you q charge push capital Q, so there is a between force, and small q charge create area, space, something, whatever you want to say. So it creates electric field. So that's why we use in electric field only one charge. I think you can understand better then. So my formula is satisfied about this example. So I think you can understand about that. So this is my definition. So there can be a attraction force also, or repulsion force also. Like two dogs uh, collide themselves, fight themselves, okay. So there is a repulsion force also. So this is the about the force definition. About the force, what is the I think nature of force. So it is about okay. So now definition is clear, formula is clear. I think I can. I'm done. And now coming to unit of electric field. Unit of electric field. What is the unit? If I take force and electric field and compare, I am just comparing both of these. So E equals to F equals to KQ. If I take ratio of F upon Q, F upon Q, if I take ratio of F upon Q, so this is from this, okay. This is the first equation you can write. This is the second. From second equation I can write. From equation second, okay. F upon Q equals to K Q Q upon R square R K. So what is this from equation 1? From equation 1, F factor equals to small upon Q equals to electric field. So the formula is coming F equals to QE. This is my formula, okay. So I think I can explain very well. And now coming its unit also. So students, हमारे पास जो न्यू टॉपिक है, वी हैव अ न्यू टॉपिक इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी. Sorry for interruption. Electric field intensity, what's about that? That means that if I take charge, if I take a small q charge, if I take a small q charge in this formula, so this charge will be vanish in this electric field intensity. Or maybe say that the if I take this charge will be limit tends to 0, okay. Like I take this charge like limit q tends to 0 of f of q, so this tends to 0, or this whole process tends to infinite. So it will be the electric field intensity when it creates electric field intensity. So main definition of electric field intensity says that the at any point, I'm just writing the definition, after that I will explain more. At point is the strength of electric field at that point it is defined as the force experienced by unit positive charge placed at that point. We can use positive charge also. I'm just saying that if I take, I have an example like I explained it uh, before that I take if two students are there, so they fight in class. So one student name is A and another one is B. Okay, if A is poking to B, okay, so B will fight with A, okay. So there is a fight, okay. So now coming to the point main is, if I take or there is a crowd due to which if A fight with B and A pushed to B and B fell down and B is created a crowd there, so means that B is create electric field, okay. I think you can get my point. So A is, what is A? Here A is small q charge and B is capital Q charge, because there is no effect about small q charge, because where there is a crowd they will treat it, teacher came and they will punish both of them, and so the teacher will help B student because he is injured or she is injured or he has injured. So I think there is a thing that, so there is small q charge and capital Q charge. Okay, field created by capital Q charge. Small q charge, how to say what is a small q charge? It is a source, it is a text charge. Why is to say text charge? Because it initiate. Okay, it is a source charge because it affected. Okay, it create electric field because electric field has source, wants to source. If I want to create an electric field, I want to a source. So this is the source charge, and this is a text charge which is created a force on q charge. Okay, so now coming to my point, that electric field intensity, what is this? I think you can understand very well like that. Simply, I'm just explaining that if I take electric field, it is a vector quantity. I take at r position vector, r vector. So limit, I take limit, because if I take f of r vector, okay, upon q naught. So there is a normal definition. Okay, if I take limit q naught tends to 0, f vector r vector. I wrote before that, before I wrote is capital Q, but in this form I write small q because I take a positive text charge. Okay, so there is a difference between them. I think you can understand according to definition. So there is a electric field intensity. Okay, this is done. If I take a positive charge or negative charge, you can say, you can use it. This is enough. So if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share it. And this is enough. Now another video will come of electric field of due to the point charge or system of charges and field lines also. So waiting for it and will be continue. Thank you so much.